Hey guys, it is Cam from Morsel Fishing. Welcome back to another episode. So I have a Fleet Farm unbagging and a Bass Pro Shops unboxing. First off, I spent all the stuff in my money. It came out to $150. All my umping money and crap, and cutting grass money. So first thing from Fleet Farm, I got Easy Fluorocarbon spider wire, 8 pound, 200 yards. Nothing too special. I already spooled that up in my one bait caster. My one other bait caster broke though, so that's why I'm getting a new one. And then I got Spider Wire Easy Braid, 50 pound test, 110 yards. That's for my new one. Then I got some hooks for pan fishing, nothing too special. I got a Spook, a Hedon Spook Sexy Shad. I have like 10 of these. These are amazing. Here it is. It's in Sexy Shad, like I said. And as you can tell, one knocked it by the name. So there's one thing in there. One ball in there. Put this up here. And then, so I have then I have 3 jigs. Perch, crappie, I think, I'm not sure, peanut butter and jelly, and then bluegill. Soft plastics, I have Berkley Havoc, Pit Boss, in black and blue. I think Open Choke Crab, but they're basically the same price. The same price, but they're the same. They look the same. So there it is. I'm sure you guys all know what Pit Bosses look like. So I ain't getting the bait too close. I'm gonna fix that right now. Then I got the Craw Fatty from Havoc, Berkley Havoc, and black and blue fleek. Remember, just tear that tab apart and it's good. There it is. There's the bag. I love Craw Fatties and Pit Bosses. I Texas rigged them and stuff. And then I was going to get the horny toad, but I did not because I did not have enough money. So I just got these. Same things. It's a different company. Okay, so that was the Fleet Farm. And now I am going to get this out. Where's my knife? Right here. You guys probably made comments. You have to cut away from your sound. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So this is all of it. It's grab. There's my ordering sheet. Oh, okay, so first off, I didn't get it in the right size. It's chatterbait. Fuck, it's too small. Who cares? It's a chatterbait. I got a small one. Fuck. Who cares? God, I should have saw that. It should work up north still. White and gold tees, whatever. Comes with the trailer. Fuck. Wrong size. Who cares? It's kind of weird. Yeah, and then we got Tournament Sassy Sally in black and blue Super Fluke color. I don't know what color that is. I don't know how to open these because I'm an idiot. I'm joking. Okay, I'm going to use this as a trailer. There it is. I'm going to use this as a trailer for spinnerbait or just Texas rig them. And I got some Zoom Super Flukes, baby brush hogs in black and blue. Hey, brush hogs, I've always been needing these. I'm gonna probably Texas rig them or just throw them as a trailer. I don't know. There's 12 in here. That's weird. The reel is out of the box. And it looks like my reel is in it. Then some Super Speed Craw June Bug. I'm gonna use this as a trailer or just Texas rig it. I love June Bug color. It works in the ponds right by us. That's 8-pack, and they're all like 8-pack except for the Zoom Baby Brush Hardware is 12-pack. Then I got same Sassy Sally's but in Bad Shad, just like a darker color. Not that bad. I love these though. They're almost like Super Flukes, but I use these as trailers. Then for the last soft plastics, I got some green pumpkin trick worms with like neon tails. I don't know what it is. 20-pack. I always been needing to get these trick worms, and I finally got them. Yep. They're not like Z-Man though, of course, because Z-Man's the best. Well, in my mind, it's one of the best. Because, yeah. So now on to the good part. Before I show you my reel, I got the reel grips, red, white, and blue. Because, you know, America. Ooh, they have a good feel. So I got I was going to get like $100 reel, then I thought, nah. I got Tournament Special, Bass Pro Shop Tournament Special Baitcaster reel. 5 bearings, Smart Cast braking system, 5:01 gear ratio. Got that one. Let's open it. Oh, baby. So. Here it's like matted. I love that color. I got it right because it's how I fish. I'm gonna put that on my pole. Oh baby, I'm gonna have to go fishing today. Looks like it was rigged up to fish right out of the box. Dude, this spins so well. So it's a Tournament Special, Bass Pro Shops, 7:0 gear ratio. There it is again. So that's my unboxing. I'll do a separate review on this. I'll do a review on this separately later. I'll probably put it up next week, but. And reel grips and stuff. So I'll make more videos for you guys coming soon. Again, please leave some suggestions in the comments below to what videos you want to see next. Subscribe and keep on fishing, guys, and see you in the next episode.